Hey there, welcome back to this edition of Service Academy News. This edition will address a recent news story concerning the United States Air Force Academy. The United States Air Force Academy, the United States Air Force Academy Superintendent has decided to conform with Pete Hegseth's directive. He is the Secretary of Defense. His directive to reduce the number of civilians at the United States Air Force Academy. And just to bring you up to speed on that, a couple of weeks ago, Secretary of Defense Hegseth had said, we need more uniformed members going back into West Point, the Air Force Academy, and the Naval Academy as a tour to teach with their wisdom of what they have learned in uniform, instead of just more civilian professors that came from the same left-wing woke universities that they left and they tried to push into the service academies. Well, the superintendent of the Air Force Academy, Lieutenant General Bauernfeld, I hope I pronounced your name right, General Bauernfeld. If not, I am very sorry. He is in line to conform to that directive from Secretary Hegseth, where he will decrease the number of civilian professors at USAFA from 37% down to 20%. That could mean a loss of 105 jobs, and more importantly, it could mean the elimination of some majors at USAFA, which is a very serious thing, in my opinion. To look at it from a different point of view, we have a quote from Lieutenant General Stephen Gilland of the United States Military Academy. He is the superintendent of West Point, and let me just quickly read what General Gilland had to say. General Gilland said that the civilians bring technical expertise to the institution, particularly in science, technology, engineering, or mathematical fields. Yes, that's a true statement. People with doctorates, people that have very deep understanding and very deep learning and experience in some of these STEM fields is something that you probably cannot gain from a regular active duty officer who is doing a tour at the academy. Additionally, the cadets at USAFA are taking matters into their own hands, and they are reaching out to their nominators, their congressmen and senators, and asking them to intervene. Obviously, they respect the civilian professors, and they feel that they are getting a value from these civilian professors. And it is very untypical for a cadet to reach out to a nominating authority or to write letters to their congressmen and senators about something that's happening at an academy. It's very unusual. So I guess that these guys and gals out there at USAFA feel very strong about this and are taking action. Now, a lot of you people have expressed your opinions in the past, some positive, some negative, but here we are. USAFA is really going to make the move to eliminate some of the civilian jobs at the academy, and specifically civilian professors, which could cause the decrease in majors at USAFA. So please let me have your comments down below. I really want to know what you think. I really want your input on this. My opinion is that everybody at a service academy should get the best education possible, and that doesn't necessarily mean that it has to come from somebody who is in uniform. Now, when it comes to military classes, strategic classes, history classes, things like that, yes, I do believe that somebody in uniform might be the best person to teach it. When it comes to the science fields, chemistry, physics, all the advanced sciences, the advanced mathematics, I really don't believe that somebody in uniform might be the best person to teach that. So once again, thank you for watching. I look forward to your comments, and have a good day. Bye now.